Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you GBPCHF analysis seen from a multi-time frame perspective. During the previous time I posted GBPCHF analysis 7 days ago. The price completed this type of harmonic pattern. It was a type of ugly pattern, but it worked very well. Price tested the expected zone and already reached the first target and is poised to move down to the other target. So the movement from the pattern completion zone, it was 125 pips down, and so far the price was correcting here. So what may happen next? Let's break this down from a daily time frame. This is the highest time frame that we are going to look at for the moment. The bottom of the price was reached on August 2024, so some months ago. 3 months and a half before, as we can see, the price created this bullish wave. We had another correction, another bullish wave, and another correction. So what is happening near to this area? The price is only doing up and down, so thus raising the chances for a range trading opportunity. It looks like that the price can test all of this area here. The first, let's say, resistance zone is found near to 1.1342. This is what the market is already doing, and another support is found near to 1.1110, 1.11. So this is what I'm looking at for the moment. However, it can be possible that the price can also test this area here. So on the daily chart, we have two areas that we are focused for the moment. This is the first area of resistance, where the price is positioned on the upper part. And we have also two support areas on a daily time frame, so it is likely that the price can also move down and test both of these zones. The power of the harmonic patterns that is shown on the chart is still showing the possibility that after this correction that we had, after the price tested the first target zone, that is also a strong resistance zone here, a strong support zone, sorry, the price increased, and the chances are that after this correction it can take some more time, or probably it may continue. However, it will continue with the second target, so who is holding from the top has chances to reach also the second target. But I think that it can also extend down further from this point. Later we have to see what is going to happen, but for the moment I'm still bearish for GBPCHF. I'm expecting for the price to test 1.12 first. This is the first zone, and later we can see what may happen near to the second zone. So the first zone that we are looking at is this area here. This is a large area, considering that we have also the wick of this candle that tested this zone. We can use this as a target area near to 1.1130. It looks like a decent target zone if the price is going to move down further. And also the extended zone that it can move down to the bottom to 1.11. So this is what we are looking at for the moment. And the move below this area will expose the price to move down to the other area. So this is a scenario that we are looking at. However, it can be possible that if the price is going to test 1.1130, 1.11, a possible pullback may happen from this zone. However, our focus so far is only on the bearish wave, and this is what we are expecting for GBPCHF. Today we had also the GBP data from the UK. It was reported the quarterly data, they were lower than expected, 0.1%, expectation were 0.2%, and the previous quarter was 0.5%. So it was a big decrease, 0.4 overall from the previous quarter. It is showing a slowdown on the UK economy for the quarterly data. So this is very important. We are talking about 3 months quarterly close. But on the yearly data, year-to-date data, we see an increase to 1% from 0.7 that it was during the previous quarter. So this is good. But as long as the price are decreasing, this is raising the chances that probably on the coming quarter we may have another decrease because the economy is underperforming. So let's see what is going to happen. On the other hand, the market probably is anticipating also another rate cut from the Bank of England, considering that they already decreased during the previous week the interest rates by the 25 basis point. It is expected to decrease the interest rates again as a minimum by 0.25 basis point. I'm not expecting more. So this can create the bearish movement that I explained here. So let's see what is going to happen during the coming days. This is for the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.